How good is a fruity, refreshing sorbet on a hot summer's day? So good, right? Well, when you buy them from the supermarkets, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a whole lot of extra ingredients in there that you don't really need, especially when you own a Kuvings juicer, because the Kuvings juicer range are not just juices. All I've done here is I've changed over the juicer strainer to the sorbet attachment, and we are going to make our very own sorbet right here, right now, using just frozen fruit. So I've got some frozen mango, frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. I've left them out for about 10 minutes just till they start to glisten so they're not rock hard and they'll be ready for the sorbet. It couldn't be easier also. All we're going to do is throw them in the machine and you will watch sorbet magic happen right before your eyes. Let's get started. So first up, I'm going to throw in some mango, mix it up with some strawberries and some blueberries. And we'll just alternate as we go. Of course, we can make any variation of sorbet that we like. All we need to do is just mix up what frozen fruit we use. So once you've finished with your sorbet, serve it up in a really nice clear glass. Add a few sprinkles on top, maybe some nuts and seeds. I love toasted coconut. And what a beautiful dessert to serve to guests or to the kids, or just to have for yourself when you feel like you need something a little bit special, but you don't want to have anything too naughty. Let's give this one a try. That is better than I thought it was going to be. So good. I'm just going to continue eating this. Definitely make sure you give this one a try.
Kuvings.